Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, if you've been watching the market, I'm not saying you have or you haven't, but if you haven't, here's where we've been. Over the last month or so, the market has obviously been crashing pretty heavily, but on Friday there was a huge up day. So what does that mean to us? Does that mean that the market's about to bounce back and kind of recover? Or is it just kind of a fake bear market rally and the market's going to continue down? We don't know, right? Nobody knows the future, and that's one of the lessons I like to teach to people out the gate. I don't care what you think you know about this stock or that stock or the market, etc. Nobody knows the future. So all we can do is trade based on a strategy more than a prediction, right? We still have to predict what we're going to think is going to happen. Do we have an idea like it's going to go up or down or stay in a range? That's the assumption we make. And based on that assumption, we're going to do high probability strategy type trades to kind of play into our assumption. So what do I mean by that? Well, here's the market. Like I said, they all look roughly the same. This is the S&P 500. The NASDAQ is going to look fairly similar. Again, a big rally on Friday. The Russell's been more of a kind of a range-bound thing, but it also has tanked recently and same. So they all look roughly the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the gold market because the gold market's been taking a huge hit in the last couple of months. Now, we're going to discount this area of volatility because this is essentially when the Ukrainian war broke out and every stock became highly volatile. So what I'm going to look at is where we're at today. And if you look right here, here's where we're at volatility-wise. And if you look where that's at, this is a 6-month chart. You can see essentially this is about as high as it's been pretty much for the last 6 months. So the volatility, even at 41 right here, and the only reason that number is as low as it appears is because it's factoring in this huge jump. So without this involved, this volatility may in fact look like 60 or 70 to us. But because of this huge spike, volatility rank, just so you're aware, is kind of averaging a certain amount of time. And we're averaging in this huge spike. So this looks like a low number at 41, but essentially it's much higher than we think. Again, this is as high as it's been in 6 months if you take out the war kind of freak out that everybody had in the market. So that's where we're at. So we're making this trade because this is taking a huge dump in the market like everything else obviously, and the volatility is high, even though like I said the number may not look high. So if we go to a trade page, what we're going to do is we're going to go here to 46 days because tomorrow that'll be 45, and that is right in our wheelhouse, right where we like it. And I've saved us the trouble of trying to work out the strikes and all that kind of good stuff. We're just going to make it easy and say this is a stock price of 169. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go $8 away on the put side, $8 away on the call side, and sell those. And then I'm going to buy $2 away on the call and put side to create a $2 wide Iron Condor. And again, we're looking to collect at least 66 cents or more on this trade. So right now, this is perfect. So tomorrow, if nothing changes and the market opens up right where it is at 169, we're going to go up and down $8 and then buy the $2 call and put that are just $2 away from our strikes, short strikes. And as long as we collect 66 cents or more, this is the trade we're going to make in gold tomorrow and why we're doing that. Hello everybody, Cal here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity. But just before we get started, I want to make sure you're aware that I do have quite a few courses up on Udemy. All the ones that are available are listed here. And some people don't know that these first 3 here are an actual 3-part series. So number 1 in the series would be understand options, number 2 would be basic option strategies, and number 3 would be make and manage profitable trades. Again, if you're taking 1, now you know that it's a 3-part series. You might want to take part 2 and 3, or if you're in 2, take 3, etc. And then I have a couple extra courses there as well. But the purpose of this video is because I want to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I've come up with to do that is to create a trade alert so you can watch me trade in real time. You can trade alongside with me. You can watch me trade. I send out 2 to 3 real-time trade alerts per week, and you can sign up for this by going to sharpertrades.com, click on the products button, and you'll see these 2 alerts pop up, Basic and Pro. They're both the same alert. The only difference between the 2 is Pro will give you access to all the courses I've created. But I want you to do this with as little risk as possible. So if you go to the Sharper Trades page and you type in this code BASIC1 YTB, you will get the first month of the basic alert for only $1. So I can't really do it any cheaper than that. but I want you to have access to it so you can see if it's something you want to do and learn from. Again, you can cancel at any time. So in the first month, it's only $1. If you continue after that, it'll go up to $49 a month moving forward. But the first month is about as risk-free as you can get. It's only $1. And also, if you sign up for the Pro at the same time, you'll get a discount on that one for the first month as well before it kicks into the $99 a month. So, love to see you there. Love to get you up and trading as quickly and easily as possible. Take care.